अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं लौकी के कोफ्ते का सालन। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। मैंने एक मीडियम साइज़ लौकी लिया हुआ है, बॉटल गोर्ड। तो यू कैन आइदर ग्रेट इट और चॉप इट वेरी फाइनली। इसको अच्छे से इसका सारा पानी निकालना है। तो यू टेक लौकी ग्रेटेड और वेरी चॉप्ड फाइनली, squeeze it, take out all the water and add it to a bowl. Don't throw away the squeezed out water, keep it aside, we will use it in the gravy. I've squeezed out all the water and now let's add a few masalas. Add half a teaspoon of chilli powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon zeera powder. Along with that, add one medium sized onion finely chopped, a few leaves of coriander also chopped, one green chilli finely chopped, half teaspoon garlic paste and half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Along with this, add a pinch of garam masala. Mix well and then add 5 tablespoons of chane ka atta, that is gram flour or besan as it is also called. Mix well again and then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix with the hand so that the masala gets mixed up with the bottle gourd, and try and make small balls. Keep it aside. In this way, complete making the koftas one by one and keep it aside on a plate. You can either deep fry these koftas or you can fry them like I'm going to do in a paniyaram. I generally use this paniyaram pan to make paddus. But you can also use this for frying. You can also deep fry the koftas if you like. But in this way, you'll be using very less oil. So add around half a teaspoon of oil to each of the hollows. Let the paniyaram pan become hot. Once the oil becomes hot, add the koftas one by one into each of the hollows. Wait for 2 minutes. You can even cover the paniyaram pan with a lid. Wait for 2 minutes. Keep the flame on medium and turn over using a fork and a spoon. Let it cook on the other side for another minute or two as well. Cover and let it cook. Keep the flame between low and medium. Let's prepare the gravy while the koftas are getting cooked on another burner. Take a deep bottomed pan. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 cloves, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, 1 dry red chilli, half a teaspoon of zeera and a pinch of hing. Saute for a few seconds and then add 2 medium-sized onions crushed. You can even chop them finely. Saute the onions till translucent. Meanwhile, let's check on our koftas. Now both sides are done. Remove them to a plate and let's add the second round of koftas. If you can see, there is oil still left in each of the hollows. If there is no oil, you can add half a teaspoon, but if there is oil, that's enough. Now make more koftas and fry them like before. 2 minutes on each side. Flame between low and medium. Cover and let it. Let's get back to the gravy. The onions are nice and translucent. The raw smell has gone. Let's add the ginger garlic paste. Add 3/4 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Saute for a few minutes till the raw smell goes. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes, add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon haldi, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon zeera powder and half a teaspoon of salt, because we have already added salt in the koftas. Also add a pinch of garam masala powder. Saute for a few seconds. If you find the masala sticking to the bottom of the pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Along with this, add 1 teaspoon of gram flour, this to thicken the gravy. Saute for a few seconds. Once the masala is nicely sauteed, add the puree of 2 tomatoes. Saute till the oil leaves the sides. Once the tomatoes are half sauteed, add the squeezed out water from the bottle gourd. Don't waste it. Add it to the masala and continue sauteing till the oil leaves the sides. When the masala is nicely sauteed, add 1 glass of water depending on the amount of gravy that you want, but 1 glass is more than enough, and let it boil. The gravy is nicely boiling. So now let's add the koftas. These are the koftas that I have fried. I won't be adding the whole thing because my family likes to have koftas by itself. So I'll be adding just a few to the gravy. Add them one by one. Add a few chopped coriander leaves and a teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi. Cover and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between, and that's it. The Lauki ke kofte ka salan is now ready. So do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Lauki ke kofte ka salan goes very well with the rice, rotis. So definitely try it out.